crowd seems ready. It's a beautiful spring evening, perfect for a doubleheader.
Domino's pepperoni cheddar doubleheader.
Buy a large pepperoni pizza at regular price and get an extra layer with cheddar cheese and extra pepperoni free. A pepperoni cheddar doubleheader. He steps up to the box. It's a long one. It's going, gone. And with every medium or large pizza order,
Get your free KoolAid soft drink
a
mix.
2-quart pack, 30 KoolAid points.
Something for nothing.
How about that?
Domino's.
Cliffhanger, rated R. Starts Friday at a theater near you.
Maybe they're biting over that way, Dad. Let's try over there, Dad.
Tonight, Dad's gonna have a few sore muscles.
I think I see some over there.
Fortunately, there's doctor-recommended Motrin IB. Motrin IB, the relief of Motrin in non-prescription strength.
Any deodorant is fine if grass grows under your feet. But movers and shakers need clinically proven Lady Speedstick antiperspirant. It's maximum protection against wetness and odor. Clinically proven for movers and shakers. Lady Speedstick.
Maybe you never thought of an airbag being custom-made for a minivan. But that's how we build the Mazda MPV. Because we just thought making safety customary might appeal to you.
What? Oh, guard dog. Oh, very scary. Finally, the good stuff.
If you want great taste that won't fill you up and never let you down, make it a Bud Light.
You send your kids to college for an